class we have discussed exercise 6 first question. Now let us see the second question. So what is the question given here? At what rate a sum doubles itself in 8 years 4 months? So here they have given, they did not given anything about the principal, about the time and about the simple interest. They have given only the time period, which is nothing but 8 years 4 months. Now based on this value you need to find it here the rate. So if you find like these problems, you can consider here the principal value as 100, right? Because you know the percent is nothing but 100. So you can consider here, if you are not given anything, you can take it here the p value as 100. If you are taking the p value as 100, then you will get all the values. How you will get all the values? Let us see here, which is exercise 6 second question. So what is the question they have given here? At what rate a sum doubles itself, right? So what is the meaning of this one? That means the sum doubles itself. The sum is doubling itself. What you will get the amount, right? So if you are taking here the principal as 100, what should be the amount? Which is nothing but double of the principal. Double the sum. Sum is nothing but the principal, right? So double is nothing but 100. What is the double of 100? Which is nothing but 200. So you got it here the principal amount and you got it here the amount, because they have given here, what they have given here, a sum doubles itself, right? Itself it is doubling, right? That means what is the amount? Which is nothing but 200. Now if you know the amount and if you know the principal, you can calculate the simple interest. What is the formula? You know that amount is equal to principal plus interest, right? So what is the amount? Which is 200, and what is the principal amount? Which is 100. So if you take this 100 to this side, what will you get? It will become minus 100. So that you will get it here 200 minus 100, which is equal to principal interest. So you got it here the simple interest as 100, right? So if you take the principal as 100, you got the amount and you got the simple interest also. Now what is the formula you have known? You know that principal simple interest is equal to PTR by 100, right? So in that you know the simple interest, right, which is 100. You know the principal, which is also 100, right? And here the time period also they have given. How much the time period they have given here? Which is nothing but 8 years 4 months. This is the time period they have given. So here, now you know that it is in the form of years and it is in the form of months. You need to convert into the 1 unit, right? And you know that 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months, right? You know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Now, if you are talking about the 4 months, how you can write in the form of the years, which is nothing but 4 by 12. So you can write this one as how you can write 8 years 4 by 12 months, right? So it is in the form of months. We have converted in the form of the years, because you know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then what is the value of 1 month? Which is nothing but 1 by 12 years, right? So what you will get it here 4 months. 4 3s will get cancelled. So what you will left out, which is 8 1 by 3 years, right? Again here 4 by 12 is there. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is left out? 8 1 by 3. Now it is in the form of what? Mixed fraction. You can convert this mixed fraction into the fraction of how you can have to multiply these two, right? 8 3s are 24 plus 1, which is 25. So you are getting here 25 by 3 years. We have converted this total in the form of the years. So you can substitute it here. So what is the value of t they have given? 25 by 3, and you need to find it here the rate, right? R value, that is what we need to find it by 100, right? If you simplify this one, you will get it here the value of R. This is the problem they have given. So what they said it here? At what rate the sum doubles itself in 8 years 4 months? This is the question they have given. can calculate the simple interest by using the formula amount is equal to principal plus interest. From that you got it here, the simple interest as 100. Now after substituting in this formula, you will come to know about the rate. So let us do the problem. Let the principal is equal to 100. Then what is the amount? Which is nothing but 200. Right? If you know these two, you can calculate the simple interest. Since amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, what is the amount? 200. And what is the principal? 100. If you take this 100 to this side, it will become subtraction. So that you will get it here, 200 minus 100. What is the simple interest? Which is nothing but 100. Right? Now, let us write it here. What you know here, simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. And after that, what is the time period they have given here? Which is 8 years, 4 months. Now let us convert this one. You can write this one as 8 for 4 by 12 years. After converting, you will get it here 8 1 by 3, which is nothing but 25 by 3. Right? Now let us place all these values in this equation. So what is the value of simple interest? 100. And what is the principal? 100. And what is the time period? 25 by 3. And you need to find it here the rate by 100. Right? Now let us do the simplification. 100 is equal to 100 into 25 into R, 3 into 100, which gives you here 300. Now let us do here this 100 will get cancelled, right? And after that, what you will get it here afterwards? In 5 table, these two values will get cancelled, right? 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, and after that again in 5 table it will get cancelled, 5 1s are 60. So what is left out here? Here we will left out here with 1 is equal to R by 12. Now if you take this 12 to this side, what will it become? You will get it here R is equal to 12%. What is the rate of percentage? You got it here, which is nothing but 12. This is the problem. Now let us see the next question. So what is the third question they have given here? A child-friendly bank announces a saving scheme for school children. They will give kitty banks to children. Children have to keep their savings in it, and banks collects all the money once in a year. To encourage children's savings, they give 6% if the amount exceeds by 10,000 and otherwise 5%. Find the interest received by a school if they deposit 9,000 rupees per 1 year. The question seems it to be very large, but if you read the question, it is very simple and the answer is also very small. So, what is the question they have given here? The bank is introduced one program for child. What is the program? Is nothing but the child has to collect the money, and the child has to collect the money, and the child has to put that money in the bank as savings. So, what the bank they will do? They will give some amount to the children in the form of the interest. Suppose the children savings is crossed 10,000. If suppose all the children is collected 10,000 rupees and they have deposited in the bank, then the bank will pay an interest of 6%. Suppose if they collect the money that is less than 10,000, then the bank will give you interest at 5%. Now all the children collected the money and the total money here they have given as 9,000. So what is the interest that is applicable here? That is the question they have given. So what is the question they have given here? The government Here 0 will get cancelled and you will left out with 90 into 5. So what is the value of 9 into 5, which is 45. So you will get it here 450 rupees. So what is the amount that is bank is giving to the children, which is nothing but 450 rupees. This is the problem. So let us write it here. Children how much they have collected the money, which is nothing but 9,000 rupees. So what is the interest that is applicable here? Therefore, the interest applicable according to the question, which is nothing but 5%. So how do you calculate it here, the interest? Therefore, the interest is equal to 9,000 into 5 by 100. So just do the simplification. So what you will get it here? 90 into 5, which is nothing but 450 rupees. This is the problem. So from this